From the voiceless dark, I could hear you call my name, to a world apart, to a life of love, awake with a beating heart, and a simple sighted faith, safe within your arms, quiet by the light of grace. There in the cradle of life, you held my breath, and here at the table of wine and broken bread, I find all I need. You are all I need, in the air I breathe, in the joy of being hidden in your time, until the life ahead. You are all I need. You are all I need. When I'm lost in joy, in a timeless song of praise, you're the sacred voice, singing purpose into place, even in the void, in the sudden wake of pain, when the shadows join. Still I'm in the light of grace, there in the waves of this life.